Hello, my name is Michelle Stewart, and today I am going to be discussing social media in healthcare. Many healthcare organizations are working to effectively utilize social media to engage patients and consumers. Through effective marketing and communication tactics, organizations are able to move away from traditional advertising techniques and use the internet to connect with consumers in the healthcare field. Patients heavily rely on information found online and use the internet to gather healthcare information and connect with other patients to garner support and learn about similar conditions. Others utilize these resources for research or to share experiences with healthcare providers and other related organizations. Patients also have a tendency to seek information via social media that assists in the selection of doctors, specialists, and hospitals to make informed decisions on the best practices to seek care. Individuals will use social media to post reviews or other comments that support or possibly deter others from choosing that type of healthcare in the future. There are a variety of ways that healthcare organizations are utilizing social media to enhance their services and provide patients with accurate medical information. Here are the top ways professionals in the field are using social media. Social media is intended to provide individuals the ability to access information quickly and communicate with others. Healthcare organizations utilize these tools and websites to share information with consumers in a variety of ways, such as sharing general information about flu shots and tips to avoid a cold. Sharing news regarding outbreaks or health hazards is an effective way for healthcare facilities to provide accurate information to patients. It is important to note that all patient-specific information requires permission along with a signed release. Other forms of sharing information through social media include providing updates on new technologies, introducing new doctors in a practice on social networks, answering questions on various topics such as how to reach the doctors or the hours of operation, delivering generic pre and post operative care information, or to offer patients any updates that relate to the practice itself. Another effective way that healthcare organizations utilize social media is by spending time evaluating their competitors to gain insight into the services they offer and overall patient satisfaction. By taking a look into different practices and their social media involvement, professionals have the ability to mimic these methods to enhance their own. Some organizations will do better through social media, as providers can determine whether or not they need to take more appropriate action to quickly respond to patient requests and improve customer service. To gather feedback and improve quality, social media interaction can provide doctors and physicians with immediate responses from individuals to help understand common reactions to medications, as well as overall consensus from patients on new techniques in the industry. Using this information that is readily available on social media allows for healthcare organizations to learn from patient reactions and to adjust accordingly. By following feedback on these sites, healthcare professionals also have the opportunity to evaluate the possibility of additional services in the industry. In times of crises, the use of social media has increased to provide minute by minute information to consumers. Through social media, hospitals and other organizations are able to deliver real time updates on hospital capacity, operational status, and emergency room access. Having an active social media presence allows healthcare professionals to pass along information that is shared by organizations such as the Red Cross and the Centers for Disease Control, as well as to communicate with news outlets. I would like to thank you for listening to this lecture that covered social media in healthcare.